Guys, today I am going to share how can we do byte coding with Antigravity Google code editor. Let's see how it works. I have a plugin, AI Blocks Studio. From WordPress.org I got some correction, so I am giving the instruction here and providing the full correction list here. Let's see how it works. We can wait some time. It is working and thinking, analyzing. It is too fast actually, and everything feature like extension and others option. It looks like a BS code, so it is user friendly. See, it is analyzing. No need to change any code manually. It will work. It will do everything for you. See, this already set a plan first. What it will do. This is the plan. So after review the plan, if everything okay, you can just click proceed. Then it will implement the as per this plan. Okay, it will edit code and update everything. So it is user friendly and developer friendly basically, as it sets task and work implementation plan. Then you can step forward and you can check manually and approve all changes. See, it is editing code and updating, but if not doing directly, you have option. You can check and accept one by one, or you can check full code and just accept changes from here. Okay, other option will come after full complete. You can just approve all by one click, single click. Okay, another important feature, you can update and change your model from here, and if you want to hold cancel the process, you can just click cancel. Okay, it is working. Actually, I have many files and code, so it taking some time. See, it's edited another file and updated code. Let's do accept and save. So one by one it will do all correction which I provided. So I have to just need to check and approve, then finally I can test. So this is the process, the anti-gravity code editor, how it works. So thanks for watching the video.